air conditioner in the bathroom. As long as he needs to often for that. Oh, there's this little computer down there. You know, that big. It's really amazing when you pop stuff on your video in. Bring air in, bring air in, and just bring stuff out. Lights are not working. Lighting is off. Yeah. Does it work?